In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of the camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and hit all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Gallery section, tap on your photos here and tap on Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find them, select Gallery again. This time hit Folders on the left and tap on Images at the top. Select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to find your photo. When you're ready, just click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!